Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable Run as Administrator on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computers. Now just go to the app for which you want to disable Run as Administrator. For example, I want to do it for Chrome. So just go to the app and right click on it. Then just go to Properties. From Properties, you're gonna get multiple tabs. From here, you need to search for Compatibility. So this is the one. Just go to it. Now go through all of this and you should see something like run this program as an administrator. Just make sure to uncheck this. And after that, what you have to do is just simply click on change settings for all users. If you want to change the settings for all users, just click on this. And after that, just click on apply, click on OK. And then just go ahead and restart your PC. And basically, that is how to disable Run as Administrator on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.